Kumusta mga boss? So, ngayon nasa Dubai tayo pero guys, sobrang lupit nitong Sugar Kingdom. Tara, laruin natin. Samahan niyo ako, boss. Let's go! Guys, yan na nga, no? Connect nyo lang yung MetaMask nyo so you can see very easy process, no? So, abangan nyo na lang yung upcoming vlogs natin, no? Marami tayong vlogs yan. And yung mga hindi pa nag-enroll sa website ko, guys, pwede na kayo mag-enroll, no? But anyway, to Sugar Kingdom na to, pwede na kayo maglaro. At guys, merong Rockstar NFT dito, no? Na explain ko mamaya. Pero nung na-launch yung token nila, as you can see, nag 11 times sa price ng IDO. So, very big deal. Tumaas ang token dito. At, na-withstand nila yung huge market drop kahit na may Luna Terra crash, no? As you are aware, ang dami nag sa inyo, nag-invest sa Luna, no? Na natalo. Ako, wala akong in-invest sa Luna, mga boss, no? Thankfully, no? Kaya pwede natin laruin yan. So, parang Candy Crush, mga boss, no? Okay, kung gusto nyo Candy Crush, go dito.
Spectacular.
Yan lang mga boss, no? Napaka-easy. Kahit sino kayang gawin to, mga boss.
Nice.
Very fun to play din, mga boss. And guys, easy to
Lovely.
play din.
Come on.
Kala nyo matatalo na ako, ha? Siyempre, hindi tayo ganun tatalo, mga boss.
Spectacular.
Spectacular.
Come on.
Right? So that's it, guys, no? As you can see, it's very fun to play. May marketplace, may VIP staking din dito, guys. You can buy token, no? Candy. Deposit nyo, stake nyo. And guys, another thing to consider, okay? Pataas yung token price, no? So, it's a different metaverse game, yung Sugar Kingdom nga, at focus sa casual games to, no? Katulad ng Candy Crush, no? And guys, you can become a king, prince, or a duke of the Sugar Kingdom, guys, no? So, nireview na natin to, guys. Aware naman kayo dito. Yan, may special gift pa. So, you can become a king and rule the Sweet World Kingdom, no? So, solid din yung partners dito, guys. Okay, na-review na natin yan. Okay, so 50 partners, more than 50 partners on board. And very important to consider, $2.5 million yung na-raise sa project na to. So, meron ngang Rockstar Collection High APR dito, guys. So, okay, pwede ka nang bumili. You can buy a special NFT. Okay. And guys, Rockstar Collection to. It's a special NFT kung saan pwede kang mag-receive ng 2,000 earning or more times 2,000, no? So, 2,000 times yung multiply mo sa earnings. At the same time, mga boss, may unique VIP which will get 400 candies kapag bumili ka, no? At the same time, mga boss, at this time, no, yung presyo ngayon, 24 days ang ROI. So, 24 days ang ROI ngayon. At mga boss, 1,500 USD ang price ng unique VIP. Pero yung VIP Plus, 850 USD. VIP for 500 USD. So, there will be only in the entire history of Sugar Kingdom 15 unique VIP NFTs that will give you times 2,000 earnings, 20 VIP Plus NFTs that will give you times 1,000 earnings, and 30 VIP NFTs that will give you 500 earnings. So, we have started the sale, and all in all, times 2,000 NFTs have sold out, mga boss. Sold out na to. Okay, in less than 30 minutes ngayon, ito na lang available, times 1,000, times 500. So, abangan nyo to, guys. Mag-Dior kayo. You can buy them already. The link will be on the description below, guys. So, as you can see, guys, here, you can buy it already. Guys, there's limited stocks only. So, if you want this, you can check them out. And we can watch this, mga boss, no? For you to have an idea. Ayan. So, game is coming. Yan yung Chocolate Rockstar, Candy Rockstar, Cookie Rockstar, guys. Very interesting. This has big potential, mga boss. Pero mag-Dior muna kayo. Lahat ng project, tandaan nyo, meron pa rin, okay, kailangan i-consider, no? So, kung wala ka idea sa NFT, mag-enroll ka muna sa program ko dahil sayang lang yung pagbayad dito, no? But anyway, iba't iba yan. So, yan yung candy. Okay. So, marami guys, no? So, check nyo yan guys if you're interested. Then, you can check the link on the description below. This Tanjo the Capital Master #1 NFT coach in the world. Have a nice day mga boss. This is Sugar Kingdom update of their NFTs mga boss.